In today's video, we're going to be lifting this boat up off the trailer because there's a few things we need to do or want to do. One of them is we're going to change where the boat sits on the trailer, shift it back a little bit more to make it easier to launch. The other thing is going to replace the bunks, extend the bunks, and last but not least, which will probably be the next video coming up, is to get rid of the bottom pane. So let me show you how I'm going to do that. We're going to be using these blocks of wood to block up the front of the boat. And you can see those 6x6s over there. We're going to be using those in the back of the boat. And we're actually going to be using the trailer jack itself to do the lifting. So the first thing we got to do is pull the boat forward, because there isn't a flat spot in this whole yard. We're going to create a level spot with some paving stones. Alright, so we've pulled the boat forward, and before we do anything else, I don't have a level spot in this whole property. So what we're going to do is level out the boat from port to starboard. Front to back is not a whole lot I can do, but we're going to use blocks and block the wheels in before we lift it. So basically we're going to use pavers to do this. So basically what I just did is made a ramp, used a sequence of 14 pavers, 5, then 4, then 3, then 2. And I'm going to slowly edge the boat up on there so that so it's level from left to right. Alright, so we're going to pull it forward and set it so that it's on the bricks, pretty solid, block it in place, and we'll start with the lift. But I'm going to put it towards the back of the bricks, because one of the things I want to do, since I want to move the boat back on the trailer, is move the trailer forward underneath the boat. So let's do that. Go ahead. All right, stop. A little bit more. All right, hold on. I'm going to take the top 2 bricks off. I got the bottom. Yeah. Alright, back it up. Alright, stop. Alright, forward. A little more. Stop. Alright, that's good. Yep, leave, lock it in. Yeah, so if you were looking at this from the yard, it looks really funky. It looks like it's off kilter, but it's not. I got the boat perfectly level. It's off by probably 2 or 3 degrees, but I'm not going to fine tune it that much. So let's go on to the next steps. I've got the wheels blocked on both sides so that this can't go forward or backward. I'm going to take it off the hitch, and then we're going to show you what comes next. So we've got the boat positioned where we want it. The next thing we're going to do is loosen up all the straps. I'm not going to take them off completely, but I will loosen them up. And once we do that, then we're going to go ahead and start blocking the boat up. We do the same thing with the boat strap. Again, I'm just going to give it some leeway. But we're all going to lock it in place just so that it doesn't move too much. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to lower the front as low as it'll go. And now we're going to block it and actually build a wooden crib for it. And this is the back. It's been lifted up. This will be 8 pieces total, so what you want to remember is if you want the resting pieces going from side to side, you want the first pieces going front to back. One thing I did want you to notice is that all the cribbing is directly underneath the transom. That's the strongest point in the boat. So we'll lift it up, get it off the trailer, try to do as much of the work as we can without having it sitting on the cribbing for too long. And hopefully this cribbing will hold up. But let's go ahead and lift it up. I have my son Joey in the front. He's going to go ahead and start lifting it up. So the whole idea is, as we lift the front of the boat up, it's going to rest the back of the boat on the cribbing and lift it up off the trailer. Alright, so the rear is actually a couple of inches off of the bunks. Now we're going to do the front. We're going to do that with a jack and build another crib underneath the front. So let's go ahead and get that done. Nope, that ain't gonna work.
Not tall enough?
Nope. You can drop it.
It's dropped all the way.
Oh, okay. Just give you a little close-up. As I drop the trailer, you'll see the trailer moving away from the boat. So here's the port side, and you can see it's completely off of the bunks. This is not a situation I'd like to leave it for any length of time. So I'm going to go ahead and do the work that I need to do and get it back on the bunks as soon as possible. Alright, so we got the boat lifted off the trailer. It's not ideal. The cant of the land, we got the trailer level, but the land is not. So the block cribbing is not as well. It's having a tendency to lean a little bit towards starboard, and it's slid a little bit away in that direction. So we'll have to adjust for that when we set it back down. But otherwise, it lifted up pretty good. I hope this video has been helpful to you. If it has, hit share and like. Comments are welcome. Let me know what you think and how you would have done this different. Thanks for watching.